And as I walk through the valley of death, my voice echoes out through the night. Lord, Lord, whatever your reason, don't be the reason right.
Hello YouTube, it's me again. I haven't been working on a lot lately because, well, it's stupid cold out and it's kind of hard welding in minus like whatever the hell it is here. It's freezing cold out. My shop doesn't have too much heat, so I'm going to be doing other projects. I will be welding again and finishing my project, but recently I went to an appointment to go see the doctors, and every time I go there I pick up some stuff. It's about a 3.5 hour drive to the Veterans Hospital, and well, I was in the U.S. Army and I had to go get new glasses because I couldn't see, reading glasses. And on the way there I always stop at a certain place, and what I'll do is I'll show you a few little gadgets I picked up. I'm gonna make a video about each one of them, and I'll just give a quick video of some of the small ones, and I'll just show you. Let me just bend the camera and I'll show you what I got. It's me again. So one of the things you probably already see on the camera are these two things. I picked up a little itty bitty starrett vise. I don't know how old it is. I don't know anything about it really. I don't know much about starrett vices, but I couldn't resist because this little puppy here is like, I mean, I don't know if this is factory painted, but there's like, it doesn't even look like it had a stroke of a hammerhead on it. The handle looks poorly painted. I have a feeling it might have been repainted and cleaned up, but these jaws, there is no marks on it whatsoever. So either somebody did a poor factory paint job or what, but it says 013 and a half, and it says starrett Atoll, Mass. Atoll, I don't know, but the little, it's got a swivel base and it's in pristine condition. So I was like, you know what, since I'm binge buying vices, I might as well buy a, I couldn't resist. They had another one there. It looked like it got thrown off a building. But next, I also picked up another hammer dolly. This is basically, it's got the what is this called? The hole that goes in your anvil. Anyway, I couldn't resist. It was super cheap. It's got a nice hammering surface. It's like, you know, you use a hammer and you can beat away on it. It's really good. I might, like I said, I might cut a hole in my bench and use them. Instead of using my table, I can use these to do small projects. So that's really cool. I know somebody online is going to be, what do you call it, jealous of that. And let's just say I got it super cheap. Like I've said before in plenty of other videos, I keep finding these for under 10 bucks. They are, I don't know, I like them. They're really cool. I didn't open this one up. I didn't look inside, actually. Probably have to be rusted out, now that I think of it. I don't know if it works, but it looks in pretty, I mean, it looks used. It's not in horrible shape. I mean, you can't even see it on the goddamn camera. So anyway, yeah, it's in pretty good shape. It's got wear and tear. It's pumps. It's got barely any rust on it. It's just paint's falling off, basically. It's got it doesn't have the red colored patina. I also found this. I'm not one to usually buy hammers, but occasionally when I don't always buy like 10 of the same one. This is a shitty Mastercraft one, but I seen this and I was like, that looks cool. See, because I have this one and I bought this one because I thought it was cool. It's got a nice shape to it. See, I can see that. See, bought that one a while ago. I have a bunch of other ones. I never like to buy the same ones. Oops. So yeah, and the biggest beast of all, or the bigger beast is, I found a Wilton number 4. It does have massive amounts of rust on here. The handle looks like it's been, I don't know, used and abused. There's pitting here. This is all pitted. This is pitted. The jaws, it actually opens all the way. It's not seized. I got it really cheap. And there's 2 screws missing here. The body doesn't look like, it doesn't look like it's been too, like, this has to be replaced. This is still good. The other little thing, the main body doesn't look too abused. It has 0 oil on it, and the jaws, from what I can tell, they're actually not bad. Like, this one's, you know, a little chunky here. This one's actually pretty straight. I think there's a hole in here. I don't know about I don't know if this, what the hell's been done with this, but I don't know if they've been welded on or what, but there appears to be, you know, I'm not sure how this thing's put together, but there's a screw here, and okay, there's a screw here and a screw here, or a pin or something. I'm not sure how this is put on. There's a hole in here. There's, I don't know. I'm going to have to put on a wire wheel and see. I also bought one other thing, which I'm going to show in a separate video. I went there and I asked the guy 2 or 3 weeks ago if he could hold it for me, and he did, thankfully. It's, I don't know, 1900 something. It's between 18 something, and what I can tell, it's about between 1900 and 1915. It's a Langier high-speed drill press, and that's pretty much it. Oh, and I finally got my supply of pillow blocks, and I bought 8 of these. I'm going to be making a metal bender soon for a project. So even though I always buy a lot of things for doing projects, I like to do smaller projects and work on other projects as I get either bored, or sometimes I'm painting and I do something else, so I just keep rotating. It keeps me busy. But yeah, that's my tool haul for today, and I'll show you the next batch of tools. I'm also gonna do a video. I'm gonna take this apart and just show it off.